Hello and welcome back to Desert DIY. If you are new here, my name is Corey. Today I'm going to be giving you a quick glimpse at all of the projects that I have coming up before I even start working on them. So let's get going. So my first project is this desk and chair. I got this for free. Somebody was getting rid of some furniture, which is the story of literally everything in this whole haul. I got everything in this haul for free from friends, family, neighbors. I just put out some feelers for people who want to get rid of furniture projects and I go pick them up. It saves people time going to donate them. The second thing I got is this side table and it has a Formica top on it. Let me know what you guys think of these projects. What do you think I should do for the desk and for the side table? I kind of have a plan for the desk, but I would love to hear more input. Next piece here, I thought this would make a really cool like cat bed table because it has this trough area in it. So imagine putting a little pillow in there for people who have cats. I don't know why, I just have really wanted to do that with this piece. It has some really good bones. I feel like, oh, that's my son in the background. But I feel like the handles on here are way too big for the look of these drawers, so I'll probably change those out. My next one is this window, and I have already redone the sister of this window. I redid it in my dining room, and I have that video in my projects playlist. But for this one, I think I'm gonna turn it into a chalkboard. What do you think? This chair I got for free also, like everything else in this video, but it's from the 80s and it definitely needs to be reupholstered in my opinion, and I am going to be venturing into my first sewing slash reupholstering of these type of chairs with this project, so if it doesn't turn out great, at least I didn't spend a ton of money on it. This chair, I actually have two of them. I'm going to be redoing them for a friend, so I already have everything picked out from her. She chose what she wanted, and I'm going to be trading this pair of chairs for a twin size headboard and footboard, which is another way that you can get furniture projects for free, is from trading. This piece here is a over the toilet bathroom cabinet, and it is fake wood. It is just pressed wood and covered in a real looking wood, fake wood. And these mirrors here I got from the same woman who gave me the desk and the chair. She also gave me the rocking chair that I recently recovered the seat on. The room that I am going to be doing all these projects in and storing all these projects in is my sunroom, and I'm going to actually be turning this sunroom into a studio, and I am not finished with it yet, so I will be giving a tour of it once I am done, and I'm also going to be giving a tour of my craft area in my house. So that way you guys can get an idea of how I store my things and how I complete my projects in an area in my home, and just kind of understand a little more behind the scenes. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to comment down below with your ideas for these projects for the future. Bye!